ETH is a coin that I have not done a video on in a while, so I have two clean charts and I'm gonna show y'all how we grab the new targets. So Bybit is a fairly new exchange, so Coinbase has more targets on Ethereum than Bybit does, so we have to use Coinbase to put the targets on Bybit. So like I'll show you on Bybit, we don't have any targets on this exchange above 638, right? We don't have any targets. So looking at Coinbase, our next target, let me reset this. The next target would be $655. Right, so I have to put that. Let's see. I'll catch 655. Alright, 655. That's the first one. $655. From there, 716. Wait, this order block here, 7. From there, after 716, we got 747. The all-time high for this coin is about 1400, so this has a long way to go. Like Bitcoin, it's trailing a lot behind Bitcoin, so once this starts to run, you want to be prepared for it, or we want to be prepared for it. That way price is not moving and we stuck like a deer in headlights. We need to know where it's gonna go. 793, I believe, is the fair long target. I don't think I'll put any over 800, and because I don't want the chart with too much line, so we'll reassess if we get this high. For now, right? Long target after 792, then 8. Damn, it's a big gap. 830. I'm pretty sure these are weekly targets, so I can scale down to the 4-hour and find some in-between targets. But ETH, usually when ETH moves, it moves pretty fast, so I don't think it'll have any trouble getting through these targets. 829. I'll leave it there for now. 829 is the max. Once we get to like 747 or 793, I'll add more. But there's a gap between 655 and 716, so let's see if we're missing anything. Let's scale down to the 4-hour. I have to go back in time to when price was. Shit, it's gonna take a minute. Work with me. Crazy on me like, give me the green light. Bam, bam, bam. I have to scroll all the way back until the last time price was here. My bad. Alright, found it. Shit. Fuck. Trading view is annoying. Shit is annoying. Hold on 1 second, guys. We do not miss. I found it. Right here. Yo! I like my money in colors. Double up came with a brothers. Back in my bag, these Alright, bet. So, found it. So, from here now, we can find a few targets, right? Above 638, the next 4-hour target would be, let's see, 680. Put one at 680. 680 is cool. This wick right here is 686. 688, same shit. I think that's good for now. I don't think we need to get every little target. But alright, so I don't need the Coinbase chart anymore. I can go back to just the Bybit. Now we're back in action. Alright, so now that we have the long targets, it looks good. Alright, now that we have the long targets, we can see ETH also had a Thanksgiving downtrend, just like Bitcoin. So we'll put Thanksgiving downtrend here. I'll make the line red. So anything below this, we probably will fall. There's no long until we get above this. Thanksgiving downtrend. I'll make it red, so you know. Alright, Thanksgiving downtrend. Let's see the monthly open. That's important. We need to figure that out. The monthly open, we're below it right now. Is change the color. Right, monthly open. We need to be above the monthly open and above. We're literally right there. Let me see how we're on the 5-minute. Oh shit. Literally, we need to close at least a 4-hour or 1 hourly candle above this open before we can start to long this to these targets. 630. Put one here as well. 638 is a target. But it should start to move down just off the strength. It's not gonna. Alright, so yeah. So we need to put some short targets just in case it decides to fall. So if we lose, there's a very minor trend line here, right? This trend line. If we lose this trend line, it's safe to say that the short targets are going to be in full effect in the short term. So if we lose this trend line, we'll target down here 599. Basically this area, all these wicks, this is all like support, right? So we'll target 599. 599, and from there 587. ETH, this coin moves really, really fast. So like if it breaks one way or another, the targets are gonna get hit. Targets are gonna get hit for sure, for sure. 586, 574. In my opinion, if we don't have a drastic sell-off, the green box will hold. So we'll come down to like 560. Green box should hold at least. And then if we break 560, I'll put bearish breaker. If we get a 4-hour close below 560, then you have the green light to short. And then from there we could target the lower targets like 536. We're just gonna play the wicks. 531. TA is not, technical analysis is not always spot on, so like it doesn't necessarily have to come to 531. It could come to like 538, like in this area. Like it's gonna come to an area, not the exact number. But I just like to play the wicks. 531, if we lose 531, we'll go down to this area here. Although I do not think, shit, I keep using the wrong thing. I don't think we'll get below 470. If we get below 470, we'll only get below 470 if Bitcoin loses 16K. But if Bitcoin doesn't lose 16K, we probably won't even get this low. But I'm gonna put the green box just in case. So I'll long 470. If price comes into this area, I'll buy the dip, or this green area, I'll buy the dip as well. Let me just put some targets. So but yeah, that's the game plan. So it's the same thing as Bitcoin. We are long above the monthly open and the Thanksgiving downtrend to the long targets, and with ETH we're short below this trend line because it's going to fall if we break this trend line. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, but this trend should hold, if you ask me. We'll see. I don't got no crystal ball to see where price is gonna go. I just trade price action. Whatever happens, happens. But yeah. So that's the game plan for ETH. I'll start making ETH videos as well because I'm going to get super active with this for the month of December. Because I don't want it to run up to, at least, even if it runs up to, let's see, it's Christmas time. They could run it up to, if they run it to 830, with $1,000, you could probably make 35K. It's insane. But I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see. And get into the position when it's time. I won't get in before. I'm not gonna let my emotions, like if the shit is chopping around, I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna lose any money trying to get into positions for no reason. I'm only entering upon confirmations, and you should too. But as I said, I'll make another video when the time is right. or well, the next time price makes a move.